Guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and this is my automatic chicken feeder. You fill up the tube and it comes down and it's supposed to come out the sides. Well, you might notice that I had a brain cramp and I put this Y fitting in backwards, and the one I was following online put a cap on the bottom. The problem is you get all that feed that goes down in there and it just stays down in there. And also because of this being like this, it doesn't feed out to the sides very well. So I'm going to make a modification. I'm going to reverse that. I'm also going to get rid of that cap, and I'm going to do something else. Now this is the way it should be. The feed will come down here. I'll put my tube back in there. And my side pieces there are not glued in so that they can be rotated to the best advantage. What I'm going to do, instead of putting a regular cap on after putting a piece of pipe on, I'm going to put this filler piece like this in that way, so it'll already be up in there further, but I'm going to glue this on top of it. So what will happen, and see if I can do this so you can see it, what will happen is, this is a cap from a 3.5 inch pipe. This will come up in here like this, and it will force the feed to come on either side of the Y. And that way there won't be any wasted down underneath here. And it'll disperse the feed the way it should be. So let me put this together. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all together, and then I'll show it to you when it's all installed. With our upside down cap in there, which should deflect the feed coming down. We'll see how it works. Feeder all in place in the pen, and you can see how now the feed comes right down. I didn't have to reach in there, and with that cup being in there upside down, it'll force the feed out into these elbows. And if I don't get enough coming down, I can just twist these, because these are not, this is not glued in and that's not glued in, but they're a snug fit. And yep. So that's enough for the chickens to get. They can reach up in there, and the reason I have this square piece on there, because it has this ledge right here that stops all that feed from just running out. Otherwise it'd be running out on the ground. This way they have to reach in, and they have been using it, and this will just make it more efficient. We won't have to be reaching our arms up in here and pulling it out anymore. So there you have it, the new improved automatic chicken feeder by the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. And this is a quick peek at our automatic chicken waterer. That's all filled up with water, not the angle piece. That's just a support, not a support so much as it is to keep the chickens from roosting on this side here. So all they have to do is they come in here and they peck at that, and it gives them a little bit of water just like that. And they have been using that too. Works well, stays cleaner, and doesn't have to be refilled as often. Thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing, and sharing. Bye for now.